my Winjas. This is Maya, and this video is all about that anterior pelvic tilt, yo, aka Instagram butt, Instagram model. So, how do you know you have it? What are the causes and how can you fix it? Coming right out. Cue that intro. How do you know if you have anterior pelvic tilt issues? So you can look in the mirror, and if you naturally stand around like this with your butt out, belly out, and you probably have a lot of back. Dude, my back hurts right now just doing that. So you probably have a lot of back pain. You probably can't feel your glutes because you have weak hamstrings. So everything back here is weak because you're not engaging properly. You probably have weak core, weak abs, weak hamstrings, weak sauce in all those areas. And what causes it? Sometimes it's just a matter of genetics, but a major thing right now is a lot of sitting, a sedentary lifestyle. Sometimes some sports causes you to just go into that anterior pelvic tilt. And a key thing that I see is that it's a lack of awareness. So this video, I'm gonna help you bring your awareness back to your pelvic area so that you can fix that. Because when you are able to understand how your pelvic muscles and how the pelvic area works, you're gonna be able to engage your glutes better, get strong glutes, get strong hamstrings, get that strong core, and then do all types of things in life so much better and move better. Once I was able to bring my awareness to my pelvis, I could handstand better, do pull-ups better because you create strength right here in the center of your body, and it has everything to do with how strong your core is. Okay? So, are you an Instagram model? Go check yourself in the mirror. Let me know. The simplest way, though not the easiest, but it is the most simple way to fix and to strengthen your pelvic area is to bring awareness, okay? So let's get into some basic anatomy. Imagine your pelvis is a bowl of soup, okay? You guys know I love my pho. You can choose whatever soup you want. So if you have a bowl of soup sitting right here, if you are anteriorly pelvically tilted, your soup bowl is pouring forward. So right now all the soup is coming out, pouring forward. If you are posteriorly pelvic tilted, all your soup is pouring backwards. So that's when you have your tailbone tucked right underneath you, and then you're doing a no butt. The unattractive no butt look is actually the best look, the best way to benefit from most exercises is we are aiming for that slight posterior pelvic tilt. So now my soup is pouring backwards. When we say neutral spine, what the heck does that mean? So many people don't know what that means. A neutral spine just means your bowl of soup is right there in the middle, not pouring forward, not pouring too far back. So neutral spine is just whatever it is for you. All of our bodies are built differently. Some of us will have a different way to tilt. So a neutral spine is whatever is your normal, and you're right in the middle where your soup bowl sits like a solid oak table. Okay, so for me to help you fix your anterior pelvic tilt is I need you to just bring your awareness to your hip and do the pouring of the soup. So go ahead, pour it right out to the front, pour it right out the back, and then find your middle, okay? Now, when you do any exercises, whether it be a plank, a push-up, a pull-up, a handstand, the goal is to bring your awareness to this area and then take the tailbone and then tuck it ever so slightly underneath you. Right away when you do that, right away my ribs, boom, are turned on. My core lit up. My glutes activated. My hamstrings strong. My posture upright. All it took was bringing my mind to my butt, to my pelvis area, and then tucking the tailbone. So I say it's simple, but I say it's not easy because so many of us do not think about what we're doing when we're exercising. And that's what I love to teach, and that's what is a big part of the Winja Way, my online program, is that we are bringing connection and mindfulness to the way we move in everything that we do. So even when I'm standing, I'm slightly tucked in, pelvic tucked, my ribs zipped up. So I'll show you Even when you're doing a plank, this is in the plank video, we covered this, but a lot of planks I see is in anterior pelvic tilt. So check it out, all the soup is pouring forward and there's so much pressure on the lower back and you're not getting any of that core bracing. So when you take your tailbone and you slightly tuck it in underneath your body, boom, instantly glutes engaged, activated, core zipped up, brace down. This is where you get most benefits. That's it for today, guys. I'm going to be making another video on how to do specific exercises to further help you with that, with this. For now, work on bringing that attention, that mindfulness to your movement and tuck that tailbone in, okay? This is your girl Maya. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you come back every Tuesday, every Friday. We be dropping fun, exciting fitness content for all. And check out the box. I've got freebies and links to help you with your body movement journey. Peace out. Whoa.